Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, transferring tokens like Motich from your Arculus wallet to an exchange like KuCoin is a key skill, especially with the updates coming in 2025. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, making it simple and stress-free. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your assets around, this guide has got you covered. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need an Arculus wallet set up on your device with some Motich tokens in it. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. On the other side, have a KuCoin account ready. Sign up if you haven't already, and verify it to avoid any deposit issues. Also, remember that Motich runs on the Polygon network, so double-check that everything is configured correctly to prevent transaction failures. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and navigate to your Motich holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Generate or copy your KuCoin deposit address. Log into KuCoin, go to the Wallet section, select Motich, and choose the Polygon network for the deposit. This is crucial to match networks and avoid extra fees or lost funds. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field. Double-check it, typos can be costly. Enter the amount of Motich you want to transfer and review any network fees. In 2025, expect lower fees thanks to network upgrades, but always confirm. Hit Send and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features like biometrics or PIN. Once that's done, keep an eye on your transaction. You can use a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan to track it. It should arrive in your KuCoin account within minutes, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check for any errors and reach out to support if needed. And there you have it. Your Motich is now on KuCoin, ready for trading or whatever's next. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.